Sharon would like to thank the following sponsors: STI, Education for Real Life; Mary Pauline and Sir George Salon; Fat Boys Pizza Pasta; Aquabest; Global Quality Waters and Environmental Solutions Technologies Incorporated; Zagu. Be refreshed. Feel Zagu. Do you want flawless white skin? Try KB Glutathione sa KB Glowing Ka. Oracle Jewelry. You may visit their store at 2nd floor main building, SM City North. Dr. Reynaldo Carpio of Grand Monaco Homes. Sa Grand Monaco, tutulungan kang magkabahay. Zemzest. TJ Media and Star Karaoke TKR 304P. Distributed by Soundmax Media Marketing Corporation. Moose Gear. Ultra Mega Supermarket. Presyong mababa na, mas pinababa pa. Kapag may kasiyahan at handaan, kasama lagi ang Happy Fiesta. Masarap at abot kaya. Happy Fiesta! Frutas Shakes, Smoothies, and Four Seasons. A frutas a day keeps the doctor away. Blim's Furniture.
Welcome back po mga kapatid. Kasama pa rin natin sa ating kwentuhan ang napakaganda pa rin si Angelo De Leon. Kanina po, may iniwan kaming tanong sa kanya na naisip mo na bang ever i-give up na lang ang love? After yung mga leksyon na yan na dapat natutunan.
Oo.
Totoo.
Yeah. There came a point in my life na I said, okay na akong mag-isa.
Kasi you have kids na.
I have kids na. And then parang, ito yung time kasi na naging born again ako.
Okay.
After all those years of searching and that emptiness. So nung time na I really thought, I thought na okay na ako, sabi ko, Lord, okay na ako, masaya na ako with my family, I'm contented with what I have.
Pero paano kayo ngayon nagkakilala ng iyong asawa na si Lorenzo o si Wawi?
Si Wawi.
Okay.
Badminton. I started playing badminton with friends.
What year was this?
Wow, 2005. Ganon. Tapos, badminton. Tapos, nung time pa nga na yun, wala, okay lang. Nung nakita ko si Wawi, parang, okay. He's very quiet.
Cute siya, nakita.
Cute
pero na-notice mo agad.
Gwapo siya.
Okay. So, na-notice
siya,
mo.
pero quiet.
When did he start wooing you? And what was different about him na parang dito ka medyo, parang nag-open ulit yung possibility?
Because even the fact that I wasn't open for a relationship, he cared. Okay. He cared to talk to me. He cared to be very open with his emotions. Meaning to say, kahit hindi siya nagbe-vent out because of his emotions for me, but he was venting out over so many stuff. Na parang, wow, this guy trusts me that much.
Stuff about his own
life.
Okay. When was the final, let's get married?
Siguro after 6 months.
Ganon, and how long have you been married?
2 years.
2 years already. Do you have a baby na?
Yeah, 3 months old. Si
3
Rafa.
months old.
Si Rafael
My
Andres.
goodness.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Very, very blessed. Kaya yung sinabi ni Pastor na ibabalik ni Lord sa'yo lahat ng mga times na nawala. I believe that. It was so easy to give yourself to anyone there because you think you love yourself less. And when God made me realize how much He loved me and how much I should love myself, doon ko lang naitama
yung sinasabi ko kanina kay Shine na yung worth, yung self-worth. Oo, tama. Anong gusto mo ngayon sabihin sa mga anak mo, Angelo? Yung siguro the most important lessons that you've learned in life because you know they're gonna grow up. Your eldest is already 13. And the rest of them are gonna grow up someday, hopefully watch this episode. Anong gusto mong sabihin sa kanila ngayon, 2012?
Thank you for understanding what I've been through. I've never hidden anything from them. And I've been totally honest with what I've been through. So thank you for understanding. Thank you, and I love you. And siguro ang pinaka-lesson ko lang na maibabahagi sa kanila, bukod sa prayer works, huwag silang tumingin sa tao for approval. Kasi we would always disappoint people. And it's...
That's true.
We will always disappoint people and we'll never be enough. But kung hahanap lang kayo ng approval, yung approval ni Lord, and what you said, yung obedience. Hindi mahirap mag-obey kung mahal mo ang isang tao.
Si Angelo, tignan nyo kung gaano siya medyo lost noon, ngayon naman ganun siya kasettled at happy. Talagang binigay sa kanya kung sinong nararapat sa kanya.
Contentment.
And I am so happy for you.
Thank you.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
Sana lang pag malaki na yung mga bunso, pwede ka na mag-artista uli.
Yes!
Oo,
Yes!
pipiliin mo na lang yung projects para walang gulo, tsaka may time sa family.
Yes.
Anyway, thank you so much,
Thank
Angelo.
you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you. It's wonderful to see you
It's
again.
nice to see
so
you.
beautiful. Okay, mayroong iba sa atin ang medyo nahihirapan na makaahon po from, well, ang ating mga experiences na super painful, yung halos hindi na natin malunok yung sakit. Pero kadalasan po nangyayari dito, hindi tayo kasi marunong magpatawad. At alam niyo po, ang unang-unang dapat pinapatawad natin ay ang ating mga sarili. When you forgive yourself for something na nagawa ninyo, it will be easier to move on and then forgive other people.
That's right.
Kasi how can you forgive you keep forgiving everybody but you think wala kang kwenta,
Yeah.
di ba? We have to give ourselves a second or a third or a fourth, fifth chance dahil nasa atin kung ilang ulit man tayo magkamali or madapa, ang mahalaga, mabigyan po natin ang ating mga sarili ng kahit pa ilang pagkakataon ang kailangan hanggang sa masabi natin na sa wakas, okay na ako. Gaya ng pag-ibig, dumarating din ang hope o pag-asa sa isang tao in the most unexpected places and times. Tulad po ni Shine, Emmanuel at Angelo, kailangan lang pong maging bukas ang ating isipan, kalooban, lalo na po ang ating mga puso na pwedeng maging maayos ang lahat. Maraming salamat po sa pagsama sa amin ngayong hapon at maraming salamat din po kay Pin Antonio for my hair maintenance. Thank you to Peachy and to Christine for my hairstyle today. And thank you, Tita Fanny, for my makeup. Thank you very much. And Tips and Toes for my nail care. Thank you very much. Hanggang sa susunod na kwentuhan natin, ako po si Sharon. Lagi niyong kasama, kapatid.
Di tayo magbago kailanman nasa
Baboy!
Ay!
So, sinasagot ko, hindi ako nagagalit, pero sumasagot ako sa kanila, oo, alam ko, wag mong i-remind.
Ayun!
Alam mo, nung sinabi kong hindi kita mahal, nabusog ako. Kasi kinain ko yung sinabi ko.
Alam mo, pag nakikita kita, nagugutom ako. Bakit? Ang sarap mo kasi.
Excuse me, boxing hero ka ba? Kasi, heavyweight ka sa puso ko, tol.
Ang